favorite chef. Let's get cooking!
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good.
I make food like you should, and when I make food, everything's good. My name's Maya, Chef Maya. Let's get cooking. Turn up the fire!
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's
And I'm Jazzy, and I'm Fire. I'm the sister of Chef Maia.
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good.
And just wait till I'm the chefiest chef in the universe. Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Chef Maya. Everything's good? Well, we just finished a video of oatmeal cookies and they were literally delicious. And these are from my family and they're probably gonna be gone by the next hour or so. But anyways, guys, if you're wondering what we're doing today, we are going to be making a pumpkin spice latte. Maybe not a pumpkin spice latte, but a spice latte for like, nice, the fall is coming, September, Thanksgiving, Halloween, yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and start making our spice latte. So, yeah. Let's get started. Okay guys, so first what we're gonna need is a nice cup. We're gonna use a large cup. This cup is from Rice to Riches in New York. You should really check them out. They, if you haven't tried rice pudding before, then you're missing out. Like, you have to try it right now. It's delicious. They have all sort of different flavors, but this is not a sponsored video from them. And I'm not even in New York City right now, so you know, but like, this is not a sponsored video from them. I just wanted to tell you guys that because that actually might be a video on how to make rice pudding. That would be actually a really good video. I know I would eat all of that up. Like how my family will eat all these cookies up, I would eat all of the rice pudding. All right, anyways, guys, just want to get a nice large cup or a small cup. Any size is fine. So yeah, let's start gathering our ingredients. Okay guys, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and gather some vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, and some ground nutmeg. I know it's a lot of spice, but that's what we want. And we want some coffee. So I'm not sure how to make coffee, like coffee from scratch, but I know how to use a coffee maker. So we're just gonna make some coffee. Make sure you use decaf, but if you want caffeine, then sure. But just saying, decaf still has 3% caffeine in it, but it's better, but still, it still has caffeine in it, so you know. But anyways, guys, just go ahead and get some coffee in a cup, and then we'll go on from there. Okay guys, so while we wait for our coffee maker to heat up, we want to go ahead and get a small container, some milk. Almond milk tastes good. If you're lactose free, I forgot what it was called. If you're lactose free, I'm just gonna call it that. But if it's not called that, I'm sorry, because I kind of forgot. Alright, so if you can't have lactose in your milk, then you can use this milk called Good Karma. My mom drinks it and she thinks it's really good. I tried some and it's really good. It literally tastes exactly like milk. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but I'm just trying to tell you guys the brands that I have. So yeah, get a small container.
Sorry. Wait.
Stay. Okay. So go ahead and get some of your cinnamon. No, not happening. Sorry. Let me fix it. Okay, guys, it's fixed. So, anyways, if you want to get some ground cinnamon, we have to get more of this, even though it looks kind of full. Well, over here it does, but like on camera it really doesn't. But just put a dash of cinnamon here. I like cinnamon. Well, actually, like put like 1 teaspoon of it. So here's like 1 teaspoon, and put like a ½ teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Ground nutmeg kind of tastes a little weird in like drinks, but you know, cause it's not really like ground, if you know what I mean. And put some ground. Wait, I need to taste what cloves taste like. This is good. It kind of tastes a little weird, but it has that fall type of vibe, you know? This is gonna be really good. Okay. It's very strong though. Oh my gosh. Alright, anyways, guys. Pour in, oh, well, it's done heating up, but pour in like 1/4 cup of milk. So I'll see you guys next. Okay guys, so I have my milk right here. It's called Latte, but you can really have any type of milk. And go ahead, pour in 1/4 cup. Pour it into there. Then you might want to get like a little spoon and mix it up so it's all good. So let me get a little whisk, a little flimsy whisk. Alright. Let's whisk that in until it's really like all well combined. If you're wondering what we're doing, this is what we're gonna pour into the coffee. So yeah, kind of whisk it all together. Okay, until it's all well combined and it's kind of like a foam, a little bit. Okay. So now we're gonna wait till it's done, and it should look like this. So yeah, I'll see you guys next. Oh wait. I want to pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Want to make sure we got that vanilla flavor in. So I'm just gonna pour in like barely a little, like just a little bit. This is like good. I just like vanilla. It's good. It has a good taste. Alright. And mix that in with it. And this should taste really good. Alright. Smells really good. Alright. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so next what we want to do is get some Splenda packets. The reason why I do not use granulated sugar for my like lattes and stuff, well, this is really like the first time I'm making a real one. But yeah, I kind of came up with this recipe. So yeah. But yeah, I would just recommend using Splenda because it dissolves better, and it just I don't like how granulated sugar goes all the way to the bottom, and it's like, oh my gosh, really? So, I'm just gonna pour in like 2 Splenda packets. So I'm gonna put 1 aside, and that's my coffee. I think it's done. Alright, and mix that in until it's all sweet and combined. So I'll see you guys next with the coffee. Okay guys, so now that my coffee's all done, I'm not gonna tilt it over so you guys can see. I'm just gonna move my camera because I don't want the coffee to spill everywhere. But, wait, oh no. Okay, good. Now what we wanna do is get our milk mixture and pour it in. So, let me show you guys. Looks satisfying. Wow. Make sure you get all that spice in. And yeah, it looks like that. Alright, so yeah. Now, so since we have our nice latte, what we want to do now, I tasted it and it tastes delicious. If you want, you can get a cinnamon stick for decoration, and it just smells good, you know. But we're gonna go ahead and go to the whipped cream part. So this is also a video on how to make whipped cream, but also mostly a video on how to make this latte. So yeah, let's get started with the whipped cream. Hey guys, wait. I need to turn SpongeBob off, sorry. Okay, anyways guys, we got an apple, so we're just gonna make something nice. We're gonna make the whipped cream soon. My dad's getting the heavy whipping cream, but we're just gonna make some apples, cinnamon apples. So let's just cut off this part of the apple. I've never done this before. Like cutting off the part of the apple. But yeah, there. Whoa, that looks so. Whoa, look at that. Alright, so we're just gonna throw this part away. This is probably like a good part that we want, but we're gonna throw it away anyways. The stem is still in there. We're just gonna keep it like that though for now. And so let's just start cutting slices. Yeah, so we're just gonna lay these on the plate. So if you hear any popping noises, I am popping up some popcorn. I mean, I can make that as a video, but it's literally just, I was just putting it in the microwave, so, yeah. Alright. So, wait, let me see. That's a good slice. Never really cut apples before. Usually I just eat them right out. So yeah, this is an apple slice. It looks very weird, but that's one of our apple slices. So just cut more slices of an. Whoa, that looks cool. It's Pac-Man. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Alright, we're just gonna cut the rest of this, and I'll see you guys. So guys, what I'm doing is putting some cinnamon on the apples. Then I'm gonna put some honey on them. Honey is good. Yummy. Honey is yum. Ooh, that looks good. Whoa. Drizzle some honey. And then I'm gonna like mix them up somehow. Like this. And these are just to eat, you know. And also for decoration, but also to eat with your nice latte. But yeah, don't worry, we're making the whipped cream soon. So let's get our latte and let's start laying them around. Ooh, this looks really cool. Alright. So yeah. See you guys next when we make the whipped cream. Hey guys, welcome back. So my dad still doesn't have the heavy whipping cream. It might be a few hours, but I came up with an idea. You can take the apples and dip them in, and it tastes delicious. It is literally delicious. Well, you can keep your latte like this, or you could do the whipped cream. I really recommend doing the whipped cream. I might have to find another way on how to make whipped cream, but we'll do it sometime. So I'll see you guys. Okay, guys. So that was how you make a spiced latte. It was delicious, and I really recommend making it. The whipped cream video, the whipped cream part, I did not record that because we never ended up getting heavy whipped cream, so I couldn't make the whipped cream. What's on my glasses? Anyways, yeah, that'll be a separate video, so if you guys want to save this latte video or make it again once the whipped cream video comes out, yeah, you should really do that. So I'll see you guys next, and bye!
Everything's good.
See you next time!
Yeah.